How to remove urine stain from mattress. You should, first of all, identify the areas on the mattress that are mostly affected by the urine stain so as to pay extra attention to them during the cleaning exercise. If the stains you purpose to remove are still fresh, they should be blotted first using the paper towels. You should then proceed to saturate these areas with the vinegar using the spray bottle if you get hold of one. The vinegar ought not to be diluted, as the strong straight vinegar comes in handy when it comes to eradicating the foul smell of urine. You can let the vinegar sit there for about 6 to around 10 minutes. Now soak the vinegar by using the paper towels you have at your disposal for this task. The paper towels could be arranged in a layer to ensure that as much vinegar is soaked up with every push applied to them. You should continue with this exercise until you are certain that the area feels almost dry. You should then take your baking soda and ensure that you sprinkle it uniformly on the mattress. Ensure that the big clumps of baking soda are broken into smaller pieces for maximum effectiveness. The baking soda ought to be left sitting on the surface for the longest possible time, as the more time it sits there the better the end results will be. Now you have to vacuum away the baking soda from the surface on which you had sprinkled it. Ensure that you do a thorough vacuuming job to ensure that all the baking soda is cleared from all the crevices and corners. This will leave your mattresses without any trace of urine stains, but for those that may not have disappeared completely, you could still repeat the above steps, this time ensuring that you really rub the vinegar deeper into the stains. Using a toothbrush could be effective, as it may rub the vinegar deep into the hard to remove urine stains. Using a chemical-based stain removal product. In case the urine stains you seek to remove are a bit old or large in size and hence difficult to remove using the above method, you may resort to using a chemical-based product. You should conduct research on the best chemical product to use for the removal of these stains in order to get the best results.